Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to Filyovsky Park. It's one of our favorite because it's really lot of nature, huge forest, and many people there usually. So come with us. So we decided to go to Filyovsky Park because, like I said, it's our favorite park, and of course, my dear wife, we should say something.
Я ничего не знаю, что говорить. Я не знаю, что говорить.
So we are in Filyovsky Park, and we have really nice weather today because it's sunny and warm, like a proper summer.
How it should be, summer.
I agree. And we're just having some coffee.
And you?
So we just have some coffee.
And yours? Да.
And we're off here in the park.
Да, там все pink. Hello. What do you think, Mr. Milatovich?
Oh, I really enjoy our walking, my dear. So,
Why?
because I'm in company of my dear Anna, and because of sun, it's warm. We have summer. So we had a nice time here in Filyovsky Park, and now we are going home. So thank you for watching, and see you next video.
Пока. Я не успела сказать пока. Пока.
Okay.
Chin, you should show this.